Hello to everyone. Let me first of all introduce myself. I'm Tengiz Kantaria, a research scientist from Agricultural University of Georgia. I'm PhD in chemistry, and today I'm going to talk about biodegradable polymers and their application. So let's start from the simple question. What is polymer? Simply speaking, polymer is a compound consisting of very long molecules that contain identical fragments, so-called monomeric units. In the slide, you can see three most widely used polymers around the world, and you can see also different things that are made from these polymers. Let's compare usual compounds like water with polymers. You can see that water consists of water molecules, small molecules, whereas polymer, for example polyethylene, consists of long chains. Our main question, what is biodegradable polymer? Biodegradable polymer is the polymer that can degrade. In other words, they can break down under the influence of microorganisms or under the influence of physiological environment. And it takes from hours to months to fully degrade. Why biodegradable polymers degrade? Biodegradable polymers degrade because of the degradable links, or in other words, bonds in their molecules, like ester bonds. You can see that ester bond can degrade and produce carboxyl group or hydroxyl group under the influence of enzymes. There are different classes of biodegradable polymers like polyester that contain ester bonds, or polyamides that contain amide bonds accordingly, or polyester that contain both ester bonds or amide bonds, or for example polyurethane that contain urethane bonds. In this slide you can see new biodegradable polymers synthesized by me personally. This is polyester and polyesteramide. Both are new polymers that are extremely promising for the application in the field of biomedicine. All the biodegradable polymers can be divided into two main groups. First, natural biodegradable polymers like DNA or proteins, etc. And the second group is synthetic or artificial polymers that are created by scientists in their lab. So the main application fields of the biodegradable polymers are medicine, pharmacology and nanotechnology, biotechnology and gene engineering, and production of eco-friendly or environmentally friendly materials. The biodegradable polymers can be used first of all in medicine from different types of polymers like polyglycolic acid, polycaprolactone or polylactic acid. We can create different kinds of materials starting from surgical sutures ending with different types of implants. Biodegradable polymers are widely used in pharmacology and nanotechnology. From the biodegradable polymers, we can create different types of drug delivery systems like microparticles or nanoparticles that are extremely important for different types of biomedical applications. Polymeric nanoparticles can be loaded by different types of drugs, and so we can construct so-called drug-loaded nanoparticles that can deliver our drug to the destination in our body. The biodegradable polymers can be used in ophthalmology. For example, instead of intravitreal injections, very painful procedure, we can use the alternative, the nanosuspension of a drug-loaded nanoparticle that can simply deliver our drug into the body of eye. Furthermore, biodegradable polymers can be used in pharmacology in order to create spray, and such kind of sprays are extremely important and useful for treating different kinds of burns like this. Cationic biodegradable polymers are very important for the practical application in biotechnology and gene engineering. The cationic biodegradable polymers can deliver a DNA into the inner parts of a cell, into the nucleus. Furthermore, cationic biodegradable polymers are extremely important for constructing antimicrobial agents. Cationic polymers have the ability to destroy, to connect to the membrane of the bacteria and destroy it, that leads to the death of bacterium. It's well known that usual conventional plastics takes a long time to degrade. For example, a polyethylene bag can degrade fully within 1000 years. So the good alternative is using biodegradable polymer that can degrade within months. Actually, all these things can be made from the biodegradable polymers, and that's why I believe that one day biodegradable polymers can replace conventional plastics and solve the global environment pollution problem. And finally, we can briefly conclude that biodegradable polymers can be used in different domains such as medicine, pharmacology and nanotechnology, biotechnology, and gene engineering, and also production of eco-friendly materials. So that's all that I wanted to tell you today. Now I hope you have some idea about biodegradable polymers and their practical application. Thanks a lot for your kind attention, and I wish you all good health and good luck.